Somebody assumes the role of the referee. Plays referee from Egypt. Then all the other officials as well getting into position. All four taking, or five of them, just taking spots all around the ring to be able to watch from every possible angle. Quite a fascinating thing to see. Right, here we go. This for a spot in the semi-finals of the men's 90 kg category. Naveen against Begzat. Seconds in. Trying to be as positive as possible. The difference in approach evident already. Kazakhstan's Begzat slightly shorter, which is why he's looking to get as close as possible. Naveen using his reach to good effect. Keeps his guard down to try and invite the opponent onto him. Begzat, incidentally, who's got his guard up most of the time. The initial probing going on in these first minute and 20 seconds. Naveen's landed a few punches, but substantial. However, he's probably looking like the more proactive boxer at the moment. Begzat Tangatar will want to sort that out in the remainder, not just of this round, but also the rest of this bout. Low angle shot taken by a camera person, just giving him a great idea in terms of the relative speeds of the two. Kazakh wrestler is moving swiftly, no doubt, but Naveen also doing a great job of just keeping himself as mobile as possible. A moving target, always more difficult to hit. Naveen just seems to be softening up his opponent for a vicious left to come from somewhere. Usually keeps it in a defensive position, but won't be surprised if he moves in swiftly and puts in a good left hook every now and then. First round coming to a close, last 10 seconds. Probably been edged by Naveen. But Begzat has also shown his quality. A lot of tenacity. An even contest thus far. Naveen Kumar from India just doing enough, just landing slightly more decisive punches, and it's reflected in the score, which is very close, because out of the 5 judges, 3 of them have called it for Naveen, 2 of them have gone with Begzat Tangatar. So nothing in this as a contest. 2 contrasting styles, 2 contrasting philosophies at play. That's what makes it such an interesting contest. So Morocco and Croatia among the judges, going with the man from Kazakhstan.
Round 2.
Naveen possibly just acknowledging that he needs to be a bit more proactive. It was Begzat doing a lot of the early movements in that previous round. Naveen just looking to probe. get into punching positions early on in the second. Begzat looking to be a lot more cautious, staying away from that long reach of Naveen's in the second round. Has to mix it up with some positivity of his own as well. Doesn't want to get boxed too much into a defensive mindset. And look at Naveen just trying to entice him, keeping his guard down from time to time. That's a good combination of punches, couple of times, which have rattled Begzat. Another round where one would think Naveen has probably just edged it in terms of what he's done, but Begzat also refusing to go away. Really turning into what could be a fascinating third round battle. I would think that it might again be a split verdict. It might just go in Naveen's favor. You never know though. And it's the tiredness as well showing. The bigger the boxers, the more it tends to take out of them, these short 3-minute bursts. Begzat Tangatar showing a lot of spunk in this round, but it's been decisively taken by Naveen. Thanks to some pretty decent right hooks that he was able to essay. Also follow it up with his left. There's been much better defensive work from Naveen, keeping that left glove up for most of the time. He has conceded a few punches, but landed far more against his opponent from Kazakhstan. Quite decisive in the second round. All 5 judges going with Naveen Kumar. So 3-0 at the moment, thanks to a couple of judges whose numbers are split. Simply put, that means that this needs to be a massive reversal in this round.
Third and final round.
Simply getting it 10-9 for all 5 judges will not do for Begzat. He has to outbox decisively his opponent in the views of at least one judge, in addition to the other 4. Another standing count won't help Begzat's cause. Naveen, the man from Haryana, has been very smart with the use of his reach. Absolutely picture perfect in terms of how to decisively strategize that against a slightly shorter, slightly stockier opponent. Just keeping him in check, just keeping him away often enough, then moving in when the defenses are down. Also, he's quite swift for a 90 kg category male boxer, standing him in good stead. Just at the halfway mark of this third round, and Naveen continues to break away from his opponent. Keeps him at a good distance. Begzat also tiring visibly. Winner here goes through to the semi-finals of the men's 90 kg category and also assures their country of a medal. India continue to build seemingly on the good start that they made on day one, with 4 of their boxers, particularly the women, doing exceptionally well. Still landing some good punches. High quality here from Naveen. It has brought in a lot of frustration from Begzat. And that's completely worked to the Indians' advantage. As the bell sounds, it's Naveen who pumps his fist, knowing that he may well have done the job. Started with a split verdict to begin with, but as the match progressed, just grew in confidence. And this third round was a summation of how good he was. Enforced a couple of standing counts against a tiring opponent, kept going, kept attacking, and at the same time kept his defense very solid right the way through. Naveen has really put in a professional performance here for India. And that should see yet another medal assured for the home nation.
The winner on point by unanimous decision in the red corner, representing India.
It is unanimous for Naveen Kumar. And he was so good all the way through. Right from the first round, dominant against a high quality opponent in Begzat Tangatar, somebody who has been boxing at the highest level for a while for Kazakhstan now, but just never let him settle into any proper rhythm in this match. Great defense, good counters as well, and using all of that height to good effect. Naveen Kumar, the man from Haryana. Pretty much a 100% record for Indians today in the fray.